Before starting, I have to make sure everything is in its perfect place. Beautiful. Hello, my loves. My name is Jessie. I am part of the Sephora squad, and as some of you may know, I am a Virgo queen. And today, I was inspired by all the traits of my zodiac sign to create this look, so keep on watching. First step, I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. The palette I'm gonna be using is the Urban Decay. This is Naked Foxy. The reason why I love this palette is so perfectly earthy. Look how pretty. Has the perfect earthy tones, and you know I'm an earthy gal, so we're staying on brand. And the brush that I'm gonna be using is the Sephora Collection brush number 27 because it's perfectly round. First shade I'm gonna be using is the color Sly, and I'm gonna be using this to define the crease and give my eye some shape because everything is super uniform right now. So let's start. I'm gonna start by tapping the brush on the product. Remember, where you place your brush is where the most product is gonna be in. So you wanna make sure you don't put it in the center unless you want that to be the highest saturated area. Just wanna put it right on the outer corner. And I'm gonna start blending towards the inner corner. Truly working it in. And little by little, soft motions. Okay, other eye. Keeping it simple. I'm gonna be doing this side. Also, I want everyone to drop in the comments. Are you an earth sign? Are we fellow earth signs? Just make sure you mark territory and put your sign in the comments because I need to know. Next color I'm gonna be using is Funky Town. I'm using the Sephora Collection brush number 15, small taper, to give detail. What I'm adding is a little bit of outer shape dimension. I'm going with small little taps to build intensity and make sure everything looks nice and effortless. Now I'm gonna be using Sly and Funky Town to soften the edge of my eye because right now it's very pronounced. So I'm gonna make sure that everything looks nice. I'm gonna be using the same brush I used in the beginning, which is number 27. I'm gonna attack both colors. Give a nice little shake. Now I'm just going back in and making these two colors blend together so everything looks fused and natural. Now I'm gonna be moving to the other eye to do the same thing. Now I'm going back with my fluffy brush and blending these colors together. For my highlight, I'm gonna be using the shade Hot Stuff. I'm using the Sephora Collection smudge brush, and all I want is to create a nice highlight, nice and pigmented, to give that perfect glow that us Virgos and Earth signs have. We're just beaming all the time, you know? Going to the next side to do the exact same thing. Really stamp it in there. I'm just going back to pack that inner corner because I truly want that to be the area that has the most shimmer. And again, checking for symmetry so it looks really nice and evened out. I'm gonna go back in with Funky Town and define my lower lash line because if you can see, everything looks pretty up, but the bottom looks pretty naked. So let's get that fixed. This is perfect, exactly where I want it to be. Eyeshadow is officially done. Next, I'll be applying mascara. This is the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water, and I love it because it's tubing and it stays perfect all day. And you know, that's what we want. I love the length it gives. It looks super pretty and effortless. Look at the difference. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all on the most Virgo liner lash duo out there. And it is the Glamnetic So Future Magnetic Eyeliner Pen, which is gonna be my first step. So let's get this magic started. I'm lining the top lashes, little short strokes. And you'll see in a second how amazing and magical this is. Slow and steady wins the race, so make sure you go, take your time. Now I'm gonna go in with the Glamnetic lashes. These ones are, of course, Virgo. And you gotta make sure the liner is a little, just a tiny tacky, but you'll see. Come in closer, don't be shy. That's all you gotta do. Just line and slap them on. And I'll spill the magic. It's because it's magnetic. Both the liner and the lashes, of course. So let's do the other eye. second one. Give it a little wiggle. Grab them by the center. Look at that magic. For my next step, we cannot forget about brows. They also have to be perfect and in place. I'm gonna be using the Refi Brow Sculpt. This one is gonna give me that perfect laminated look. And I'm gonna apply it little by little. It goes a little wide at first, but don't panic. We have everything under control. And afterwards, we're gonna use that perfect brush that it comes with. A very fluffy one, the top one, to set everything in place. And I get the same brush and I start just polishing them down so they all look uniform and together. For my blush and my lips, I'm gonna be using Ilia Multi-Stick Chicken Leap in the shade At Last. And you know, we love efficiency. We love a multitasker, and this is giving everything I need. So I'm gonna go in with my number 79 brush and just start giving myself a little color. Just that perfect Virgo flush. Gotta look like we got sun-kissed by the earth. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of that color across my nose because I do love looking a little flush. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Collection brush number 15 and just start tapping that color until I get the desired saturation. This is it. Perfectly blotted lip. Next, I'm using the Youth to the People. This is the Adaptogen Soothe and Hydrate Activated Mist to refresh my face. And actually, Youth to the People is the most Virgo brown out there. It's grounded, it's earthy. I mean, it's everything you want a Virgo to be. And for my last step, perfume. I'm gonna be using the Viktor & Rolf Good Fortune fragrance. And this one, it just has a creamy vanilla scent to it, and it chases away bad energies, livens up the spirit. Every sign out there can use this because we also love you, you know? Don't think I don't love other signs, because I do. I mean, leave it to a Virgo to achieve perfection. Leave a comment below letting me know your zodiac sign. Maybe I can get one of my squad members to recreate a look just for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Big kisses, my loves. I'll see you soon. Bye!